It was a tense mood outside Kasangati Magistrates Court as opposition activists, friends and families of FDC President Dr. Kiiza Besigya awaited the court verdict in the cases against him. There was a number of police officers deployed near the court as others patrolled the neighborhood. Besigye was facing 3 charges arising from the walk-to-work protest: failure to obey lawful orders from police, rioting after proclamation and inciting violence. At about 10 a.m., Grade 1 Magistrate George Watekere, who succeeded Magistrate James Eremye, before whom the cases were filed in April, read out his ruling. The magistrate found out that all the charges lacked substantial evidence and that the state witnesses made contradictory statements.
The court has not found that there's a need for Dr. Besigya to defend himself because the prosecution did not discharge the obligation which it has to prove a case in a criminal matter.
Speaking to journalists outside court, Dr. Besigya faulted the Director of Public Prosecutions for sanctioning the charges against him, yet there was no concrete evidence.
Really, the government or parliament can require this Director of Public Prosecutions to submit to a tribunal to find out whether he should really continue to be a Director of Public Prosecution. Even if they had made a prima facie case, those cases would not stand. I would be in prison for 6 months on cases that do not exist.
The FDC president stressed that the walk-to-work demonstrations would resume soon after court had ruled that they were not illegal, and yet the issues that gave rise to the protests, like high prices, have remained.
I think we will begin in a much stronger way because of the judgments indeed that have been made to show that there was no offense being committed in whatever we are doing.
The verdict brought joy to Besigye's supporters, celebrated outside court and moved in a procession to Kasangati Center. Maurice Ochol, NTV Tonight.